Welcome back to the JB page. Today I'm on the CT125, and you can probably see I've taken the standard mudguard off. The reason being, here it is. I put the risers on, which were not cheap. They're like 500 baht or something. But to be honest, they are utterly useless. So, as you can see from here, there's dents in here, whereas it started bottoming out even with these risers on, so they're just useless. So what I've done, I've bought another plastic mudguard, obviously OEM, not OEM I mean. I fitted the plate. You can buy the plate that goes with it, fit that, and that's going to bolt up into these two bolts here, one here and one the same the other side. Only problem you got is this plate isn't quite wide enough, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another adapter plate made to put on there, and then I'm going to mount it onto the forks there. Another issue that could happen is the back could be a bit too long, so I might need to trim that down, which I was probably going to do anyway because I don't particularly like it, so I'm probably going to trim that down. I may even take off the rubber part of the standard mudguard because there's only a couple of bolts, and actually bolt that back on because I quite like that idea. Okay, when it's all finished, I'll update you.